gents, before I get started, do me a favor, like, subscribe, comment, ask questions, just bring activity to the page, all right? We got a Honda Accord V6, not sure the year, probably like a 06, 07, 08, somewhere in those years. That's the year that it is. He asked us to delete his resonators for him, so we cut that section out here. There was 2 resonators, and then he asked us to delete the mufflers for him and put some black tips on. So deleted the mufflers, replaced it with piping, put some 4-inch double wall black powder coated tips. Let's bring it down and see how this VTEC sounds. Yo, bring it down.